Hello students, today we will discuss matrices question related to exercise 3.3 of NCERT. Question is, if A is equal to 1 minus 4 3 and in column and B is equal to minus 1 2 1 in first row. Second question, A is equal to 0 1 2 in column and B is equal to 1 5 7 in row. And here we have to prove that AB whole dash means AB whole transpose is equal to B dash A dash means transpose of B into transpose of A. That we have to do. So now first of all find A dash. A dash is equal to this whole column will be written in row, that is called transpose. So it will become 1 minus 4 3 and B dash is equal to this whole row will be written in column then. So it will become minus 1 to 1. Now we have to find first of all AB whole dash. So for that we have to find AB means 1 minus 4 3 and then minus 1 2 1. This we have to multiply. So it will become 1 into minus 1, 1 into 2 and 1 into 1. Now minus 4 into minus 1, minus 4 into 2 and minus 4 into 1. Now 3 into minus 1, 3 into 2 and 3 into 1. So this complete matrix will become minus 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4 and here it is minus 3, 6 and 3. This is our AB. Now LHS. LHS is equal to AB whole transpose means transpose of this AB. So here we have to write these rows in form of columns. So it will be equal to minus 1 2 1 written in this manner. 4 minus 8 4 is written in this second column. 4 minus 8 minus 4 and then minus 3 6 3 will be written here. Now we have to find RHS. So RHS is equal to B dash A dash, that is equal to B dash, it is here minus 1 2 1 and A dash it is 1 minus 4 3, 1 minus 4 and 3. So now this minus 1 is multiplied by 1, minus 1 is multiplied by minus 4 and minus 1 is multiplied by 3. 2 is multiplied by 1, 2 is multiplied by minus 4 and 2 is multiplied by 3. Here 1 is multiplied by 1, this 1 is multiplied by minus 4 and this 1 is multiplied by 3. So it will be equal to minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6 and 1, minus 4, 3. Now let us see our LHS. It is minus 1, 4, minus 3. It is also minus 1, 4, minus 3. Second row 2, minus 8, 6, 2, minus 8, 6 and third row 1, minus 4, 3 and here third row 1, minus 4, 3. So here we can write now that our LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So this first question we have to prove in this manner. One more thing I want to tell you, that suppose we are multiplying these matrices. Order of this matrix is 3 into 1, and here it is 1 into 3. This is order. So in previous lecture I have already explained you that this number of column should be equal to number of row of second matrix. Then only multiplication is possible, and answer will be in the form of row of first matrix into column of second matrix. Means 3 into 3. Means 3 rows and 3 columns form. Answer will be there. The order of answer will be 3 into 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, and it is also 1, 2, 3. This you have to always remember. Now we will start second question.